2600 North Surf Road in Hollywood, Florida is a beautifully updated one-bedroom, one-bath, fourth-floor condo and situated directly on the world-renowned Hollywood, Florida Broadwalk. Only steps to the sand, offering the perfect beach lifestyle. Watch the sunrise with your morning coffee and walk the 2-mile Broadwalk with ample shops and restaurants. Or take a dip in the newly renovated pool or walk to the sand and enjoy the sound of the waves on the shore. The unit has newly updated kitchen and baths including quartz counters, tile backsplash, new cabinetry, and new wood flooring. The owner has invested over $70,000 in updates including new central AC and new electrical. This secure complex has only 18 units, laundry facility, elevator, and your own parking spot. Amazing investment opportunity as you can rent immediately and you can rent 4 times a year. Live the Florida lifestyle in this perfect beach retreat. Centrally located, only 10 minutes to Fort Lauderdale Airport, 30 minutes to South Beach, and close to anywhere you want to be.